Hello friends, I welcome you all to the class of English compulsory second year. In the previous class we dealt with transformation of imperative sentence from active voice to passive voice. Today we will be studying transformation of active voice into passive voice of interrogative sentences beginning with auxiliary helping verbs. The structure of interrogative sentence is helping verb plus subject plus verb plus object plus question mark. While transforming this into passive voice, we have to follow the structure helping verb plus active form of object plus being plus past participle of the main verb plus by plus passive form of subject. Let us deal with the transformation of interrogative sentences beginning with helping verb into passive voice with the help of following examples. Here are 5 examples. The first one is, am I following him? In this sentence, am is helping verb of to be belonging to present category. It is followed by subject, that is I. That is followed by helping verb, main verb following, and at the end there is an object. At the end there is an object and full stop, question mark. While transforming this sentence into passive voice, first of all we have to transform this sentence into simple sentence, and then we have to fix it in the structure of interrogative sentence. The simple sentence is, I am following him. The passive voice of I am following him is, he is being followed by me. And we have to transform this into passive voice using specific structure, that is helping verb. So the helping verb is is. Is he being followed by me? This sentence is continuous tense, having continuous tense, therefore being is used here. So the answer is he being followed by me? The next example is he writing a poem? Simple sentence of this sentence will be, she is writing a poem. Its passive voice is, a poem is being written by her. And its passive voice in interrogative sentence, interrogative form is a poem being written by her. The third example is, are you doing this project? Its simple sentence transformation into simple is, you are doing this project. Its passive voice is, this project is being done by you. And its passive voice is this project being done by you? Question mark. The next example is, was Sharmista writing a novel? Its assertive sentence or simple sentence is, Sharmista was writing a novel. Its passive voice is, a novel was being written by Sharmista. And its transformation into interrogative passive voice will be, was a novel being written by Sharmista question mark. The next example is, were they playing a game of chess? First of all, we have to transform this sentence into simple, such as, they were playing a game of chess. In this sentence, they is subject, were playing verb, a game of chess is an object. This sentence has continuous tense, past continuous, were playing. Its transformation will be, a game of chess was being played by them. Its passive voice in interrogative form will be, was a game of chess being played by them. Let us proceed ahead with the discussion of another variety of interrogative sentence. Here we have examples beginning with helping verb of to have. Have you eaten a mango? The next example is, had he helped you? The next example is, has he completed the project? These are interrogative sentences beginning with helping verb of to have. First of all, we have to transform them into assertive form, such as the first example will be, you have eaten a mango full stop. Its passive transformation is, a mango has been eaten by you, and its passive voice in interrogative form will be, has a mango been eaten by you question mark. Come down to next example. Had he helped you? Its assertive form will be, he had helped you. Its passive voice will be, you had been helped by him question mark full stop. And passive form of interrogative will be, had you been helped by him question mark. Come down to third example. Has he completed the project? Its simple form, simple transformation or transformation into simple sentence will be, he has completed the project full stop. Its passive voice will be, the project has been completed by him. And its passive form into interrogative structure will be, has the project been completed by him question mark. Let us proceed ahead with the discussion of another variety, that is sentences beginning with the helping verb of to do. Do, does and did. Here the first example is, do you feed the cat question mark. The next example is, does Krishna assist the team question mark. Next example is, did he help you question mark. Let us come to first example. Do you feed the cat? Its simple transformation of simple into simple sentence will be, you feed the cat. The cat is fed by you. Its passive interrogative structure will be, is the cat being fed by you? Question mark. Dear student, please read feed as feeding. Next example is, does Krishna assist the team? Simple sentence will be, the team, Krishna assists the team. Its passive voice will be, the team is being assisted by Krishna. And its simple passive voice will be, is the team being assisted by Krishna? Did he help you? Next example is, did he help you? It is in past tense. Simple will be, he helped you. Its passive voice will be, were you helped by him? So dear students, this is how we have come across transformation of interrogative sentence beginning with auxiliary helping verbs of to be, to do and to have. In the next lecture we shall deal with rest of the varieties of interrogative sentence and their transformation from active voice into passive voice. With this, I would like to stop here. Thank you very much.